Hey everyone, welcome to another quick video, and I just want to showcase to you guys Chintai. They recently came out with a automated resource management system. I like their other name better, which is CHARM, stands for CH, is Chintai, ARM. So yeah, what this is what it sounds like. It's a resource management system that helps you automatically refill your account when you're running low on resources. Now, account management is always a pain in the ass for any users of EOS, but even more so for applications, EOS applications that are paying for users' transactions. So we're covering the resources for users. So here on Discussions, we have two accounts that we managed that is paying for user resources, and that is EOS Form Anon. And here is where, when you go make a post on Discussions, it is created with this account. So you can see here all the post data and the transaction data and everything else. And we also have another account for paying out to our Atmos token stakeholders. So if you have some Atmos sitting in your Unified ID, every day we pay out a little bit of Atmos from our staking rewards. So here you can see, just today we pay out to, I think it was 97 stakers on the platform. So that's 97 users with Atmos in their Unified ID account. So you can see how if we suddenly get a rush of user, this could be very easily overwhelmed. We are using EOS Authority's automated renewal system every month, but that is kind of, regardless of what you do, it's going to be a certain amount of EOS purchased for you at the end of every month or at the end of every period. Where Chintai is a little bit more, is a little bit smarter. It actually keeps a tab on those specific accounts block by block, and once it detects that is dipping below the threshold you put in, it will automatically fill it up for you. So I'm gonna set up for EOS Form Anon. Again, that's our posting account. So when that account dips below 1 millisecond, I'm actually gonna up that a little bit just because we have quite a bit of activity usually in a month. So we already use like almost 6,000 milliseconds. So I'm gonna put in 10 millisecond. And then this is the upper limit. So anytime it purchases some CPU for us, it would never go over that. So I'm gonna put, I think our upper limit right now is at 500,000 milliseconds. So we could probably get away with less, but more play it safe. Net we're also using quite a bit. You can see here net is almost like we barely use any net, and net is insanely cheap. And I will just leave it at that. So RAM we've been using quite a bit of RAM. So I'm gonna put in 1,000, 2,000. I'm probably gonna have to readjust this again, but I just want to show you guys how this is done. So I'm gonna hit submit. It's gonna bring up a scatter transaction. And here you go. Here so you can see all the details. I hit allow, and there you go. So every time the account will dip below 10 milliseconds, it will fill it up. You do have the deposit check tokens in there first, check or EOS. So I'm just for demonstration purposes, I'll deposit 1 EOS in there. And here we go. So yeah, that EOS will be used to buy the resources as well. So you do get a little bit cheaper. The resource cheaper. You get a little bit cheaper if you use check. I think it's half the fee. You see here, EOS, the fee is 1%. With check, the fee is 0.5%. So again, I'm gonna add our staking account, which is let me see, Atmos sticker reward W. Okay. So Atmos sticker reward W. I think I'll double check that. Yeah. Okay. So again, I'm gonna toy this later on, but I'm just hit submit. And that's it. Let me just refresh the page. Yep. So yeah, so that's my personal account that I'm paying, this reserve in. And these are the two accounts I'm keeping tab of. And anytime these accounts hit these lower thresholds, they'll be filled up automatically. So once you have it set up, if your application or even if you're just a user, you'd never have to worry about your resources ever again. Yeah, the only thing you have to do is just make sure that you don't run out of tokens in your reserve. I think maybe they could do something to kind of generate passive income, stake the EOS maybe. I don't know. There are things that you could do. Okay, that's it. Just want to do a quick video on it, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. and I'll catch you next time.